mixing products in the wrong scenario is bad, but if you understand how they all go together and you can utilize different, products, then
And as long as you understand you're the warranty.
100%. Yeah, and
Right.
I'd back up everything
Right.
anyway.
Well, and
so.
a lot of the reps are still, they get it too. A lot of them came from the install field.
Yeah.
And I feel like fortunate in our area, we have reps that will still be willing to help you out.
Yeah.
If something goes sideways
Yeah.
on you, and maybe you didn't use 100% all their stuff, but a lot of it was, and they're like, well, okay, we'll maybe help you this time, whatever. But I've seen that happen, where they will still help out.
I mean, at the end of the day, it should be on you, but to have that extra,
That friend
extra
in your
friend,
pocket.
yeah, that might just help you out when
Yep.
you're in dire need of it. Luckily, I haven't had that, but you never know,
Right. So we're really fortunate, and it's cool because they're just people like us. They're not out there trying to do anything negative or anything. But now it's like these reps are present. They will call you sometimes, like, hey, how's things going? Which is awesome. But yeah, there's no reason to not know anymore.